Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The BJP has invited Kerala's recently retired police chief T.P. Senkumar to join politics, following his remarks which some constitute as anti-Muslim. Almost a week after his retirement, Senkumar in an interview to a regional magazine warned against the rise in the Muslim birth rate in the state. He added that love jihad, the alleged practice of Muslim men luring Hindu girls to convert to Islam, is indeed a reality in Kerala, and that the activities of terror outfit Islamic State cannot be compared with that of the BJP's ideological parent RSS. He said the Muslim community accounts for nearly 42% of the childbirths in Kerala these days, while the Muslim population is just 27% in the state. This will change Kerala's demography. The remarks were condemned by leaders from the two major fronts, the ruling Left Democratic Front and the Congress-led opposition United Democratic Front, but has been warmly welcomed with loud cheers by the right-wing politicians. Senkumar's observations of Muslims in Kerala stand in close proximity to that of some BJP leaders. The state president of the BJP, Kumanam Rajashekharan, said that Senkumar's statement is in harmony with the ideas of BJP and he is most welcome to join the party. The BJP president said, if he is willing to join BJP, he is welcome. If he makes his political standpoint clear, the party will discuss it. People like him joining us would strengthen the party. What he said about religious terrorism is factual. While participating in a pro-BJP event on Sunday, the retired cop told reporters that his comments need to be seen only as a matter of fact and not necessarily as anti-Muslim. He said he has always been going to all sorts of events where he is invited, regardless of the political affiliations of the organizers. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.